Good afternoon, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you from this beautiful 2018 Boston Whaler 320 Vantage. Looking at the hardtop there with the optional hatches, the spotlight, the closed dome radar. Beautiful big seating area up front, USB ports, speakers, cup holders. Boarding ladder at the bow for beaching it. Gorgeous through stem anchor with windlass, chain and line, controlled from the helm or from a remote here. Of course, if you're coming up, you've got the shower up front here. Clean your feet off if you were beached. Pop up cleats. Storage under the seats up here. Storage in the floor. Big beefy windshield on this 32 whaler. Lock off door. Coming aft into the shade. Wow, look at the awesome seating. The flip up thigh rise on these forward chairs. That chair will spin around to face aft. You can pop the table in between it and the other seat. That seat will move up and down electronically. Nice little C-deck touch here with the logo. Port side. Small cabin, changing clothes, taking a nap. Overnight for the adventuresome. Gorgeous helm. Big Raymarine touchscreen. It also has a pad if it's rough out or your fingers are dirty. 112 hours on this boat. Fusion stereo with Bluetooth. Of course, the Lenco auto tabs that retract when you turn them off. This boat has active trim to keep the engines right for you. Electronic controls, digital throttle shift. This is the 350 Mercs with the joystick, with the Skyhook and the Auto Pilot. And there's your power up and down for the helm seat, as well as the control for the spotlight. Starboard console features a nice marine head, vacuum flush with holding tank, sink, as well as a breaker panel. Awesome entertainment center here with the sink, stainless steel refrigerator, tackle drawers, easy to get to battery switches. I want you to take a look at this big hardtop. It is so nice. You've got the nice LEDs in it. This boat does have the fishing package, which will include the rocket launchers here, the rod holders in the back, the tow rails, the washdown. These seats will adjust and flip any way you want them. Storage underneath, the tables there as well. Big flip out seat at the back, beefy hardware, look at that. As I said, these are the white 350 Verados with the joystick piloting. Let's take a peek in the bilge. All super clean, ready to go. You do have fish boxes, port and starboard side, as well as an awesome dive door with a big ladder. Great at floating docks or when you're swimming. That concludes our tour of this 320 Boston Whaler Vantage.